We want to make another copy of this door now, and this time we're going to place it on the gable end and convert it to a double leaf door. So we use our repeat command, snap anywhere on the door, it doesn't matter where, and snap to place it in the door, in the wall at the end of the building. And notice how again it's aligned itself correctly with the end wall. What we want to change this time is we want to change, let's have a look at the properties out here again. While the door is selected we can alter the properties, so let's say we want to change the door to a double single swing door, and the width of course needs to be wider, so let's make it 1810. Let's leave everything else set as it was, don't need to change anything else. Let's redock that properties window and we see that the door has been modified. The original doors are not affected by this. The changes that you make to the properties affect all of the selected elements. So if you want to change more than one door at once, so let's say for example we want to change both of these doors to have a different overall height. Let's change the height. Let's see, where are we? Overall height. Let's change the overall height to let's say to 400 so we can see what happens. We'll see that both doors update. Okay, and let's change it back to 2100, which is the correct height for that door. And we also need to copy this door onto the opposite elevation. And this time it will actually not rotate because it already believes it's aligned with the wall. So what will happen is if we place a door here, is it will still be aligned as we picked it up. So what we need to do is just reverse that door by clicking and dragging to select it, attach it to the cursor, press return, rotate it through 180 degrees and snap on the wall again. And this time it's aligned correctly. And one final copy of that door, because there's another fire escape stair up at this end, and we'll position it there. That needs to miss the column of course. Let's click and drag and just move it along a little way, and there we go. I'm being fairly casual about where I position these at the moment because it's just demonstrating the fact that the doors are interacting with the wall. In a real project you can set the exact positions as you wish. We can look at the drawing in plan, and let's say we zoom to the wall that we've just created, the door that we've just created should I say, and you can now see that we've got the hook point is there. We can actually position that so that the again we can do it along the wall. Oops, I missed the, there it is. And as long as we snap to some element of the wall itself, it will correctly make the opening for us. It will establish the link between the intelligent objects. Okay, so let's go back and look at our 3D view. Let's reset that to its original angle, and we'll look at the internal doors next.